Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the supply barrels in It. So in this latest update, you can get a free paid skin that called Small Tumble Weed, and it actually looks pretty cool. But before you can unlock it, you need to catch 3 supple barrels first. And the supple barrels looks like this. It will looks like this. Supply. This one, it will look like this. Like this, you can see it like this, and this is our only common tier, so you don't need some superior or overpowered rod for this to face this, and you can simply use your mid tier rods and still have a good chance to catch this. And to catch this supply barrel, just head to the copper canyon like this, the copper canyon, the new island in It, and then just start fishing on here. Just start fishing on this island like this, and then just keep going until you get all 3 supply barrels for this requirement. And after that, you're one step closer to unlocking the free small tumbleweed bait skin. Just go back to NPC, this NPC, outlaw NPC, this one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!